Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Ganesh Made. Today we are going to touch the untouched topic in QGIS. So that is the how to call various WMS layer in QGIS. Uh, Congratulations to all the participants who joined this course. Mr. Ravindra Mede told me, please give a special lecture, technical special lecture on the QGIS. So today I am prepared for the lecture for you. That is the various web map service uh, call in QGIS. So firstly, we have uh, call the Bhuvan, the Indian context Bhuvan app in QGIS. That is the WMS layer available in various raster data format. So go through the Bhuvan portal and call this data in QGIS. Firstly, we launch the QGIS. That is the this is our software QGIS open source software, and the magic and the beauty of the QGIS, the various open data which is available in various sources. It is really open in QGIS. There is no restrictions in the world. NASA, ISRO, and various space agencies um, give the WMS data for the public purposes. So this is our the dashboard of the QGIS. This is your untitled project. So firstly, we add some vector data in our QGIS. That is then a layer, add layer and the vector layer. I have a shape file in the Palghar district in Maharashtra. So there is a border of the Palghar district, and this is the Palghar. So firstly, we are just setting for our purposes in symbology. There is a Palghar district in Maharashtra. So we want to download the raster data, which is freely available on the various space agency websites or the portals. In first, we download raster data from the Bhuvan portal in Indian context. So firstly, the beauty of the QGIS is the QGIS have various functions for the public users. So firstly, we check in our left side browser panel, that is the WMS or slash WMTS. WMS means web map service data, which is available in various agencies or various sources. So firstly, we have a save file, and then we go to the Google Chrome or any browser. Okay, there is no issue, or there is no require account or login. So firstly, we search the Bhuvan portal on this search engine, bhuvan.nrc.gov.in. This data only for the Indian fasting. Okay, so this is the Bhuvan website, and there is the National Remote Sensing Agency. This is the main agency of the Indian government, and this portal, which is name is Bhuvan, it is Indian Geo platform for ISRO. There is various type of 2D data, 3D data, archive data, and some of the web applications are available in this dashboard. But our purposes, we find the tab which is thematic services. Okay, here is the thematic services. We just click, and another tab is open for thematic services. First, we sometimes user said there is a require for login, but in QGIS purposes, uh, the no need for the login. Okay, but download data from this website, so there is require a user and the login. But this data, if this data we call in QGIS, there is no authentication or no login required. Okay, there is some tabs and search, statistic, analysis, metadata, and web services. There is search. Okay, select themes. So firstly we have the find the land use and land cover data with the 50,000 scale, which is available 2015 to 16. Okay, just click this data and select the state. Okay, my area interest is Maharashtra, which is uh, Palghar district. Okay, this is the technical document, map, statistic, and other. So there is we find the statistic, the legend, LULC, land use, land cover, and all these things. There is the metadata. Okay, data about data. It means uh, more information about this data, and this is the important tab for us. Web services. There is two web services available in this portal, which is the WMTS layer for the open layer and Gaia users, and this is the for QGIS and UDGIS, ArcGIS, and other users available WMS layer. Only just copy this the layer, right click, select right click, and see the name LULC MH means Maharashtra LLC 50,000 15 16. So just the remember this name and the copied this layer you just enter in this WMS services. Okay. So firstly we have go to layer, add layer, and there is a tab add WMS and WMTS layer. Okay. Just click and here the create the connection of this data. So just name LULC 1, okay, and the paste URL of this uh, section. Okay, no, there is a authentication or the another some tab, but there is no need to authenticate this data. Okay, just click OK, and please select this use contextual WMS legend. Legend is required for the next analysis purposes. Then you just click the connect. Here is the our bone connection. And here is the connect. Okay, just click the connect. So all the data sources are call in QGIS and download in this window. So go to this name, which is LULCMH LULC 50,000. So find this name in these data sources. Various types of all data download in this section. So I'm just searching this Maharashtra data in this window. So there is okay. We go through there the scrolling. Okay, MS data is here, and we want LULC data. Okay, this the data which is we have find. Okay, just click this data, and image encoding type is a PNG file, and after that you just click add. Okay, and close. You find all the data in your QGIS. Okay, this is my area of interest. The layer is upper side. So okay, this is a georeference LLC data download from the Bhuvan portal for and uh, this is the raster georeference data, and this is the legend. All the legends. It is the beauty of this data is the data available in QGIS with the legend built up urban, built up rural, all types of land is land cover data download in the QGIS. Okay, guys, this is very helpful to us to download the LUC data from the authorized agency, which is ISRO, that is the NRSC, and this data uh, used for education and various purposes. There is no restriction, no charges from the NRSC. Okay, this is the magic of the QGIS and one portal or the WMS layer. In the world or various countries or various portals available WMS data, all the WMS layers, these methods, if you use this method, add the layers from WMS, all the WMS data download in the QGIS. On the other OSM open series data, open series map or OpenStreetMap, this data also download in vector format in this QGIS. Okay.